Do you ever wonder if the cooking oils you use every day are actually holding you back from your health goals? What if cutting them out for just 30 days could change everything? Think about it. We use cooking oils in almost everything we cook. From sautéing vegetables to making stir-fries, cooking oils have become an essential part of our daily cooking routine. But have you ever stopped to think about the impact they could be having on your health? Eliminating cooking oils from your diet for 30 days might seem like a daunting task, but trust me, it's worth it. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and motivation you need to take on this challenge and start making positive changes to your health. So, let's dive in. Cooking oils are everywhere, and it's hard to imagine cooking without them. But the truth is, many of the oils we use are highly processed and can have negative effects on our health. Cutting out cooking oils completely can come with some downsides, and nutritional deficiencies are one of the main concerns. Many cooking oils, especially seed oils like sunflower, safflower, and soybean oil, are sources of essential fatty acids such as omega-3 and omega-6. These fatty acids play crucial roles in brain health, cellular function, and skin hydration. Without an adequate intake of these fats, there's a risk of missing out on important nutrients, which could manifest as dry skin, fatigue, or even mood disturbances. These effects may not be immediately noticeable, but over time, a deficiency in healthy fats can gradually compromise the body's ability to function optimally. Another significant concern is the loss of anti-inflammatory benefits that some seed oils provide. While seed oils often get a bad rap due to their higher omega-6 content, it's important to note that in moderation, they do contribute to balancing inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in many health conditions, including heart disease and arthritis. So losing these oils could mean giving up a natural way to help manage inflammation. It's not just about missing the flavor or texture in your dishes. It's also about losing some subtle yet essential support for overall health. Eliminating cooking oils can inadvertently create challenges with weight management. Fats are essential for providing a sense of fullness after meals, and without them, you might find yourself feeling unsatisfied. This could lead to snacking more often or overeating at mealtimes as you try to compensate for the missing flavor and satiety. Essentially, the absence of cooking oils may disrupt the balance of your meals, making it harder to regulate your calorie intake effectively. Moreover, digestive problems can arise when you stop using cooking oils. Healthy fats contribute to the smooth functioning of your digestive system, helping to transport nutrients and maintain regular bowel movements. Without these fats, some individuals might experience issues such as constipation or discomfort. It's important to remember that fats not only enhance flavor, but also play a crucial role in keeping your digestive system happy and running smoothly. Another benefit you might start to notice is how your skin and hair respond positively when you incorporate healthy fats back into your diet. Oils are not just about enhancing flavor. They provide essential nutrients that keep your skin hydrated and your hair shiny. With the right fats, you may find that your skin becomes more supple and radiant, while your hair regains its luster and strength. This improvement can boost your confidence and make you feel more comfortable in your own skin, as your body receives the nourishment it needs to thrive. Additionally, cutting out oils can lead to a noticeable dip in your energy levels. Fats are a vital source of concentrated energy, and when you remove them from your meals, you might find yourself feeling sluggish or fatigued. If your diet becomes lower in calories without an adequate replacement for those healthy fats, it could affect your overall vitality and zest for life. The absence of these energy-rich nutrients might make it challenging to keep up with daily activities and maintain your usual pace. So, what can you expect when you stop eating cooking oils for 30 days? For starters, you may notice a decrease in bloating and digestive issues. You may also notice an increase in energy, as your body is no longer bogged down by the processed oils. One person who completed the challenge reported a significant reduction in joint pain, which they attributed to the decrease in inflammation. Another reported an improvement in their skin, which they said was clearer and more radiant than ever before. Of course, everyone's experience will be different, and it's important to remember that cutting out cooking oils is just one part of the puzzle. But by making this one simple change, you can start to see a ripple effect of positive changes in your health and well-being. So, what can you do instead of using cooking oils? One option is to try cooking with extra virgin oil. When it comes to cooking, Extra virgin oil is versatile and stable under heat. Contrary to common misconceptions about its smoke point, studies show that extra virgin oil retains most of its nutritional benefits even when heated to moderate temperatures. For instance, research indicates that extra virgin oil remains stable at temperatures up to 356 degrees, 180 degrees, for extended periods without significant degradation of its beneficial compounds. This stability is attributed to its high antioxidant content, which helps prevent the formation of harmful compounds during cooking. Moreover, using extra virgin oil in cooking can enhance the nutritional value of food. The antioxidants in extra virgin oil can be absorbed by the ingredients being cooked, potentially increasing their nutrient content. For example, studies have demonstrated that cooking vegetables in extra virgin oil can help preserve or even boost their beneficial compounds compared to other oils. Now let's talk about comfort food, specifically a hearty, spicy lentil soup that warms you from the inside out. Start by grabbing a large pot and adding 1 chopped onion, 2 diced carrots, and 2 diced celery stalks. Sauté these together over medium heat for about 5 minutes until they start to soften. If things begin to stick, just splash in a little vegetable broth or water. Next, add 4 cloves of minced garlic and let that cook for another minute until it smells amazing. Now it's time to bring in the lentils. Toss in 1 cup of rinsed lentils along with a can of diced tomatoes, juice included, 6 cups of vegetable broth, and spices, 2 teaspoons of cumin and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Feel free to adjust this based on how spicy you like it. Add on season with salt and pepper too. Bring everything to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 30 minutes until the lentils are tender. As it cooks, your kitchen will fill with incredible aromas. Once it's done, taste it and adjust the seasoning if needed. Serve hot, garnished with fresh cilantro or parsley for that extra pop of flavor. If you're considering maintaining a balanced diet without cooking oils, it's essential to be mindful of how to achieve that without compromising your nutrition. Experts often recommend focusing on whole foods that naturally contain healthy fats. Think about incorporating more nuts, seeds, avocados, and fatty fish into your meals. These foods not only provide essential fatty acids, but also come packed with other nutrients that contribute to overall health. Additionally, it's important to pay attention to how you prepare your meals. For example, instead of sautéing vegetables in oil, try steaming or roasting them with a splash of vegetable broth or using a non-stick pan. This way, you can still enjoy vibrant, flavorful dishes without relying on oils for cooking. Another key point is to ensure you're getting a good mix of nutrients by including plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your diet. This diversity will help you maintain energy levels and keep your skin, hair, and overall health in check. Don't forget to hydrate either. Drinking enough water is crucial for maintaining skin health and supporting digestion, especially if you're making significant dietary changes. Overall, while cutting out cooking oils might seem daunting, it's entirely possible to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet by being intentional about your food choices and cooking methods. You can also check out my other video that talks about what instant noodles really do to your body. We want to hear from you. Share your experiences below in the comments below, and like this video, remember to turn on the notification bell.